Come make candles with us and to see our process. So first, we take a clean paper towel with alcohol and we rub the inside, the outside, the bottom, the rim. We spend quite some time doing this just to make sure that our vessels are clean and that everything is free of any dust or dirt or anything of such. And then we're going to be placing our warning sticker on the bottom. And now we're going to be placing our wick, so we get our little centering tool. I love the flowers on these. And we place the wick in and make sure it's centered. And then we're going to start putting some wax in our wax melter. Our wax is apricot coconut cream wax, all natural. And we place it in and we start melting it. And it takes quite a bit of time. Here we go, we switch it on. And now we're going to start mixing our clean and non-toxic fragrance oils. They are plant-based. We measure it and just make sure it's perfect. And then we're going to start pouring our wax once it's melted and also measuring that out. I think there's a lot more measuring than people expect in candle making. It's a lot of measurement. It's a lot of very specific things that need to be done, like the correct temperature and measurements of your wax and your fragrance oils, and what wicks to use. Here we're making sure that they're nice and centered as humanly possible. As we do hand make and hand pour them ourselves. And then here we're going to be mixing our fragrance oil into the wax, and we start our timer, and then we're going to start stirring. And we stir it so that the fragrance oil will mix into the wax perfectly. And then we're going to start pouring it into our vessels with our wicks. And these are our fall scents, so we're really excited. We love them a lot. Pouring gets kind of messy sometimes. We do our best. And then we make sure the wick is centered. And we also use another tool just to make sure. And we'll be making a part 2 showing you how we decorate and label our candles. We hope you learned more about our process, and if you have any questions, please email us at info@empresscandleshop.com. Thank you for making candles with us.